Okay, this is our first creek crossing, Tanara Creek, about a foot under the bridge. So it's flowing in that direction. Noosa Vale Road. Okay, this is Tanara Creek. This is into Bruce's place. So we're about a foot off running across the road here at Noosa Vale Road. This is McIntyre Road. There'll be a foot of water there. And across the road here, this is Noosa Vale Road. McIntyre Road sign. Tanina Creek is up and swollen. So it's about a foot under the Noosa Vale Road at the moment. Okay, the mountain's flowing. Flowing out of into the second dam. You can hear the water in the background. Morning, Mum. Where you going? Where you going, girl? Where's you going, Mum? Where's you going, baby? Hey 14. How you going, girl? Hey 2. Good morning 2. Oh, you've had the flu, kid. You've had the flu. Haven't you? And 3. Well, you're not so friendly, I hear you. Come on, kids, let's go. Oh, look at this. Look at the leech on her. No, she won't let me near her, Joe. It'll fall off when it's got a gut full of blood. Just saying to Jane, the leech right there on number 3. But I won't be able to get near her because she walks away. Had it been 14, I'd be able to get it off. How you going, baby girl? How's that going, baby girl? This is Pointy's baby from last year. Don't you? What do you think, Mummy? What do you think, Mummy? Anyway, there's our dam, and things are overflowing. Big time. Anyway, thanks for coming along. Catch you on the next one.